I'm feeling super emotional right now. It is an amazing result that we just got today, and I'm even losing my voice. All those good emotional feelings that are in that all of those months and years of suffering here in Germany. Yeah, I just want to say thanks to the judge as well from the labor court. Initially, I was a little bit apprehensive because there was an initial hearing and things didn't really go well as I thought. I didn't feel that the energy was good. I didn't feel that they were trying to help me. The opposite is true. But today, I had a lawyer and she is amazing and she's done an amazing job and she really helped me and she was really kind and strong and knowledgeable and she's an amazing lawyer. And if you need a lawyer, just let me know, and the labor court's lawyer or family lawyer, I'm going to send her contact. She's really good and she has an office here in Mita in Berlin. I can give you all the information if you really need help with a lawyer, because it's very important to get a lawyer when there is a case of injustice in Germany especially. So I going to give a shout out as well to the judge and to my lawyer. The judge today, it was the same judge as the last time, which I didn't really like in the first meeting, but today it was a nicer experience, I suppose, because my lawyer was there with me and the judge was super fair this time, and I believe that everything is going to be alright. I am over the moon and confident that there will be justice in my case. And if you are facing something that's difficult right now because you are dealing with COVID pandemic, and there will be a lot of employers, a lot of companies that will break the law, I advise you to document everything. Also, you have to find a lawyer, especially in Germany. Having a lawyer will really open a lot of doors. Having a lawyer is very important, and especially if you have to go to a court hearing. It will give you confidence and peace of mind. And obviously you need to find a good lawyer. So my lawyer is amazing and she did an amazing job. But yes, write everything down, live on a good life, rest, meditate, exercise, prepare yourself. It's a lawyer, right? Your employer already let you down. Your employer won't want you to win the case, right? So be focused, be concentrated, practice fitness, yoga, exercise, do some sort of cardio, go to bed early, prepare yourself physically and mentally and spiritually as well. Everything adds up in the end, but it's very important that you combine all of that with having a good lawyer. But of course, you can try to do everything by yourself as well, as I did in the beginning. But it's unlikely that you will get full results. You get results out of the court, because obviously if you're fighting against a lawyer, if you're going to court against a lawyer and you're not knowledgeable, you're not a local, because I'm not German, this would be on your side. Obviously you're just a civilian trying to win a case against a lawyer, which is wrong, I know. Technically speaking and legally speaking, and any country following human and civil rights, the courts should be on the side of the civilian, on people like us, me and you, people who don't have money to afford to pay for an expensive lawyer. But unfortunately, the reality is not like that. Today, I only got a good outcome out of it because I had a lawyer on my side who was amazing. And I advise you to do that as well. But there are cases when you cannot find a lawyer, so you have to start it by yourself, and meanwhile you find a lawyer. This is what I did, and this is what I always try to do, because I find that trying by myself gives me a learning process. It gives me experience and knowledge about the system, and I get to know what are the things on the ground. But I always like to do things in a hard way in my life, but I always get there in the end. But you have to be organized, you have to live a good life, you have to be focused and concentrated, and so then you will get that.